the Western countries' women are becoming more and more reluctant to give birth to babies. However, the male status in society remains as strong as it ever has in recent years. The birth rates increased during the 20th century, but it started to decrease over these last 2 decades. In the year 2000, as an example, the birth rate remained around 1%. There are even some negative birth rates in other countries. Birth rates dropped to its lowest point that has never been seen in the society. It also has an impact on male in the society, particularly young men, and it might have some connection with unemployment rates as well.